Hi everyone, welcome to Logitek. In today's video we will learn how to set up an email on an iPhone. For this, first of all we need to find the setting app on your iPhone that looks like this. Once you find that app, you just need to tap on it. The moment you tap on it, you would see some options coming on your screen. In there you need to tap on Mail. Once you tap on Mail, you need to tap on Accounts. Then you need to tap on Add Accounts. Once you tap on Add Accounts, you need to tap on the next option. It says Other. In case if you're trying to set up your Gmail account or Yahoo account, so I'll show you an example of Gmail account, how to set up a Gmail account. So first of all, you need to go ahead and you need to tap on the Gmail icon that you see on the screen. Okay, some people have a Yahoo account, so you can tap on Yahoo account, or if you have an AOL account. So once I tapped on Gmail, now here in this page I need to enter my email address, then I need to enter the password and continue. Once I press the continue, I'll see these options on the screen that I need to tick all of them and scroll that down and click on continue. Once I press continue, I'll see these options on the screen. Make sure you turn them all on. You just need to tap on done. And that's how you can add your account, your Gmail account, to your iPhone. In case if you want to set up some other email account, just need to tap on add mail account. Then you just need to enter your name, your email address, and the password. The description of the email would automatically come up on the screen. Once you did that, you just need to click on next. The moment when you click on next, in the next page it will be spinning on your screen and you will see green tick signs of verification. If your account is being verified, then you would get an option to save the email. You would be able to see your account just like you see the Gmail account there on the screen. You just need to swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone and you would be going into your home screen. In case if you're having the older version of iPhone, there would be a physical button on the bottom. You can press that and also you can go to the home screen and just check the mail icon and find all your email. If you have any doubts or question, please leave it in the comment. I'll try to answer your question as much as I can. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.